Hi guys, have another product again. This is a Rifa heart. Did you see Rifa heart brush rose gold heart shape heart? As you can see, this is a shape heart. Okay, a shape heart hairbrush for women. No tangled trouble hairbrush. Small for thick hair detangles. This is gentle bristle. As you can see, gentle bristles. Handy, you can bring it anywhere, guys. And if detangles, this is for detangles. If you have detangles hair, because especially me, I am walking and there is a wind and my hair is detangled. It is really beautiful, guys. Wow, it's the best. The best.